As a homeowner in Macomb, you are likely aware of the many ways weather can affect your property. From heavy rain to snowmelt, water is one of the most significant threats to the integrity of your home. One of the most effective ways to protect your home from water damage is through a properly functioning gutter system. Though gutters may seem like a minor feature of your home's exterior, they play a crucial role in directing water away from the structure, ensuring the long-term safety and durability of your property. Here's why Gutters Macomb are essential for protecting your home from water damage. Preventing foundation damage. The foundation of your home is its most vital structural component, and any damage to it can be costly and difficult to repair. Without gutters, rainwater would pour directly off the roof and onto the ground near your foundation. Over time, this continuous water flow can erode the soil, causing it to shift and settle unevenly. This can lead to cracks in your foundation, which, if left unchecked, can lead to more serious issues like flooding, mold growth, and structural instability. Gutters Macomb direct the water away from your home's foundation, preventing erosion and keeping the ground surrounding your foundation stable. This simple system of gutters can go a long way in avoiding the costly repairs associated with foundation damage. Protecting the roof and siding. When water is allowed to flow unchecked from the roof, it can accumulate around the edges, causing damage to the roof and siding. Water that flows over the edges of the roof can cause the soffits and fascia boards to rot. In extreme cases, this can also cause the shingles to deteriorate, leading to leaks inside your home. Gutters Macomb ensure that water is channeled away from the edges of your roof, preventing this type of damage. A well-maintained gutter system ensures that your roof and siding remain intact for years, saving you money on expensive repairs and extending the lifespan of your home's exterior. Preventing water from entering the home. One of the most concerning risks of poor gutter maintenance is water intrusion into your home. If gutters become clogged or damaged, rainwater can overflow and seep into your home's interior. This can result in water stains on ceilings, walls, and floors, and in severe cases, it can lead to mold growth and mildew, which can create health risks for your family. By investing in Gutters Macomb, you can prevent this type of damage. A properly functioning gutter system ensures that water is diverted far from the foundation and exterior walls, keeping your home dry and free from moisture-related issues. Protecting landscaping and driveways. In addition to the structural benefits, gutters also help protect your landscaping and driveway from erosion caused by water runoff. Without gutters, rainwater would pour down directly onto your lawn, flower beds, and driveway, causing soil erosion and washing away mulch, plants, or gravel. Gutters Macomb redirect water away from these areas, preserving your landscaping and driveway. Not only does this reduce the need for constant repairs, but it also helps maintain the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. By protecting your garden beds and driveway from water damage, you preserve the beauty of your home's exterior. Avoiding basement flooding. For homes with basements, proper drainage is essential. Without gutters, rainwater can easily accumulate around the foundation and seep into the basement, leading to flooding. This can result in significant damage to personal belongings, furniture, and electrical systems, as well as increase the risk of mold growth. With Gutters Macomb, water is directed away from the home's foundation, significantly reducing the risk of basement flooding. This is especially important in Macomb, where heavy rains and seasonal changes can increase the likelihood of water damage to basements. Installing a high-quality gutter system ensures that water doesn't have a chance to seep into your home's lower levels. Minimizing ice dams in winter. In colder months, ice dams are a common issue in homes with inadequate gutters. When snow melts on your roof but is prevented from properly draining away due to clogged or damaged gutters, the water can refreeze at the roof's edge, forming a dam. This trapped water can seep under shingles and cause leaks inside your home. It can also damage the roof and create dangerous icicles hanging from the gutters. Gutters Macomb play a key role in preventing ice dams by allowing water to flow freely off the roof and preventing it from refreezing at the edges. By ensuring that your gutters are properly installed and well maintained, you can avoid the issues that come with ice dams and protect your roof and home from the damaging effects of winter weather. Improved curb appeal. A functional gutter system does more than just protect your home from water damage. It also enhances the overall appearance of your property. Gutters that are clean, well-maintained, and free from damage contribute to the aesthetic appeal of your home. On the other hand, clogged or broken gutters can make your home look neglected, decreasing its curb appeal. Gutters Macomb can help your home maintain a polished, well-kept appearance. By choosing high-quality gutters and keeping them in good condition, you ensure that your home looks great and is protected from the elements. Conclusion. In Macomb, where weather conditions can be unpredictable, gutters are an essential component of protecting your home from water damage. Gutters Macomb provide a range of benefits, from preventing foundation damage and water intrusion to preserving your roof, landscaping, and driveway. With proper installation and maintenance, gutters can significantly increase the longevity of your home and reduce the risk of costly repairs. Don't wait for water damage to occur. Invest in a reliable gutter system to keep your home safe, dry, and beautiful.